It can be difficult to prove that any driver was distracted at the time of a collision, and a truck driver is no exception. However, there's certain evidence and other data available that makes it possible. One of the best ways to show that a truck driver was distracted is to gather evidence, like phone records, witness statements, and even the truck's black box data. All of this can be used to support your claim that the truck driver's distraction caused the crash. You can also call upon an expert witness or accident reconstructionist who can rebuild the accident scene based on the skid marks, damage, and other accident scene information. Remember that proving distraction can be challenging, and the success of your case may depend on the specific circumstances and available evidence. By working with our team of experienced California truck accident lawyers at Mason Law, we can help you gather this evidence and put together a strong case for damages. Contact us today for a free, no obligation consultation.